Okay, very good evening, everybody. This is Shovik here. I have my co-host Anish, and we are from Oxygen on the Rocks. We have a special guest on the very first episode of Tea Time Talkies. So we are holding the tea. Rajiv, warm welcome to you from both of us.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
thank you,
much for first of all for
Welcome.
joining us.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Loki Chhara does not need any introduction to at least the Bengali folks, and uh, definitely to the other audience who are watching who would would like to know. This is Rajiv, who is joined with us. He's one of our very good friends, a musician, a very good person from right from the core of the heart, and he has joined us from Calcutta. He's the lead vocalist for the band called Loki Chhara. You can Google them out, and they just released their song. So first thing first, we would like to wish you many congratulations for your new single launch called Alo, which happened yesterday on Saturday on the
Correct.
ABC radio channel, I guess, from Bangladesh. So
Yes.
please, before we waste any more time, we would like to listen to that song first version, right from the singer's voice. Please.
Sure, sure. So, see, I would say that this is after in this lockdown. This is the second release that we had. Okay,
Wow.
first release was talking about we were asking people not to go out. Biriona, Shobur Koro, and the second song, Alo, which got released yesterday. This talks about the positivity of whatever we have done after Corona has happened. COVID has come. Everything has changed. New normal, or the new normal which has come. But still, people are very upset about. They had a lot of plans. We had a couple of tours planned this year, but somehow
Right.
that got cancelled. That was scrapped. Gaurav, Bodhi from my bandmates, they had some international tours also, so that got also scrapped. So we were very upset. Yeah, so we all got upset. So we understood that everybody has some plan, and somehow the other it got scrapped for everybody. So everybody is very upset. That is why we thought of a song that would talk about positivity. Okay, whatever has happened is happened, but we can still carry on, and we can have a very good life in future. I mean, probably a 6-7 months down the line, and things could put in place again. So this song, that is why we have named this song as Alo. Okay, and I will not sing the entire. Yeah, I will not sing the entire song because I want my audience to go to my channel and see the audio. I mean, listen to the audio, watch the video, so that they will be able to relate more, especially for my Bengali folks. So. আতঙ্কে একলা চুপ অনিশ্চয়তা গৃহবন্দী রোজ নির্বাসনে হতাশা সর্বভূ নয় স্থিরতা দমবন্ধ আপোষ. So this was 4 lines that I thought of.
Wow, Sundar. So,
Thank you.
before we go ahead, we would like to let you know that there are plenty of Bengali friends of ours that are watching right here from Bangalore right now. I could
Okay.
see a lot of people who are joining us also. And we all know, moment we say Lokichara, we already are getting people who are talking about this in the comment section. Moment we say Lokichara, we cannot rule away a song which is called Life is Asking for More. And, so
Okay.
quote unquote, জীবন চাইছে আরো বেশি হোক হোক একটু গান শুনি
একটু মুখ তাহলে আসলে ইট ইজ ভেরি ডিফিকাল্ট, মানে ওই গানটা অ্যাকোস্টিকে গাওয়াটা, কারণ এত পাওয়ারফুল একটা গান, আর ইট নিডস এ লট অফ এনার্জি। মানে ওই গানটা যখন স্টেজে হয় উই জাস্ট গো ক্রেজি বেসিক্যালি। কারণ লক্ষ্মী ছাড়ার ফ্যাক্টই হচ্ছে যে জীবন চাইছে আরো বেশি। এই গানটা ইজ লাইক ইটস দ্য টাইটেল সং ফর লক্ষ্মী ছাড়া, কোটেড দ্য টাইটেল সং। লক্ষ্মী ছাড়ার অন্য কোনো গান কেউ শুনে না থাকুক, বা লক্ষ্মী ছাড়ার নামও হয়তো কেউ শোনেনি, কিন্তু যখন জীবন চাইছে আরো বেশি গানটা যখন শুনে, ও আচ্ছা এই গানটা, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ওকে, নাও আই ক্যান
রিলেট টু দ্য সং।
কারেক্ট। সো এনিওয়ে, ঠিক আছে, চলো একটুখানি চেষ্টা করছি আমি। আলো ঝলমলে সেসব রাত্রিরে আমি খুঁজে দেখেছি ক্যান্টিনে কফি কাপের আড্ডাতে সবকিছুই পেয়েছি, লুকোচুরি প্রেম অলস বিরহে মুছে গেছে কতদিন, সবকিছুই পেয়েছি এ জীবনে আজ সব বেরঙ্গি, মন ভরছে না আতাতে, ছেড়ে দাও আজ আমাকে একঘেয়েমি সব তাতে, আছি নতুনের আশাতে, ঘুরে ফিরে তাই একই কথা, দায় বায় আগে পিছু, জীবন চাইছে আরো বেশি কিছু, ঘুরে ফিরে তাই একই কথা, দায় বায় আগে পিছু, জীবন চাইছে আরো বেশি কিছু।
I so wanted to play with you.
না না, অনিশ বাজাচ্ছিল, মনে হলো আমি দুটো লাইন শুনতে পেলাম, ও বাজাচ্ছিল। So wow, amazing.
One small announcement for the audience that you're not only getting to see Kichara, Rajiv live with us right now, we'll also get to see we both together, rather me, Anish, Rajiv together, singing out loud a song called Duriya. So this has been our first collaborative project together, which is going to come up very soon. গানটা আমারও মুখস্থ নেই, রাজীবেরও মুখস্থ নেই আশা করছি, তো এক্ষুনি গাওয়ার কারণ মুশকিল, আগে বেরিয়ে যাক, আমরা মুখস্থ করে ফেলি, then we will probably sing it on the next live session. So we are going towards the end of the session for everybody. So we have one last game session which again Anish will be coordinating.
Our game.
হ্যাঁ, একটা ছোট্ট গেম, it's called Fire in the Hole. So let's see how much fire.
Yes. So আমরা এই সেগমেন্টটাকে our guest, we call our guest Icon X. So today you are our Icon X. So Icon X এর জন্য কিছু মিউজিক্যাল কুইজ আছে আমাদের, বাট ইটস আ র্যাপিড ফায়ার। সো র্যাপিড ফায়ার না থাকলে পডকাস্ট হয় না, মানে টক শো হয় না। So I have some questions for you and surprises.
Okay.
But this also has content for your fans. So who all are your fans will enjoy, would like to know you better through this. Okay, without wasting further time, my first question: most favorite Bangla band apart from Lokhi Chhara? One name.
Warfaze.
Okay. Most favorite band or independent musician in India in terms of lyrics or vision, যারা কিছু ভালো বক্তব্য রেখেছে?
Indiscreet.
Okay. Arrange the following rock genres in terms of your choice. Tomar পছন্দ অনুযায়ী you arrange this. Progressive rock, hard rock, classic rock, or folk rock or contemporary rock, যেটা আজকাল খুব হচ্ছে. What is most favorite?
Classic rock.
Classic rock number 1.
Progressive rock.
Yes.
তারপরে হচ্ছে আরেকটা কি বললে জানো?
Hard rock and
মানে folk. Hard rock, of course. Hard rock and folk rock. So folk rock আমি অতটা I cannot মানে relate করতে পারি না।
Very contemporary আজকাল যেটা হচ্ছে. Okay, no problem. Okay, a band that you think can inspire the next generation to do really good independent music in India.
In India, so you want an Indian name?
হ্যাঁ, যারা next generation খুব inspire করবে. লক্ষ্মী ছাড়া তো আছেই, definitely.
Okay.
Another name?
Aliens.
Absolutely, I also love them. Okay, এটা একটু tricky question. A band that you wish would have still had their first ever original lineup. এখনো যদি থাকতো কোনো ব্যান্ডের lineups change, but one band you really wished এদের original lineup যদি থাকতো.
আচ্ছা, সেটা হচ্ছে ব্যান্ডটা নেই, বাট আই রিয়েলি আমার খুব কাছের ব্যান্ড, মানে আমি শুনেছি ওদেরকে, পরশ পাথর।
Yes.
So very honest and modest answer actually.
Yes, definitely আমাদেরও খুব প্রিয় ছিল. And what kind of Icon X?
Bengali band hit, they were the first ones who actually gave a hit series of songs which is independent music or as a Bangla band.
Back to back অনেকগুলো হিট গান যেটা বাচ্চাদের মুখে মুখে ঘুরছে, কলেজ স্টুডেন্টস এন্ড অল, আমাদেরও. And okay, next question. So what kind of Icon X would you like to be if you weren't a rock band Iconix. So we consider that you are a rock band Iconix for us. Jodi rock band Iconix na hote, then these are your options. Choose one.
Okay.
Pure classical singer, sitar or sarod player, internationally acclaimed, a Sufi singer or a ghazal singer.
A Sufi singer.
Sufi singer. Okay. Okay. Next, describe yourself as a musician in one single sentence, short sentence.
Very tricky. Okay. Energetic and fun-loving on stage.
Excellent. A suggestion that you would like to give the next generation upcoming musician in one sentence.
Okay. Be positive, be inspired, and keep inspiring.
Excellent. Okay. A person without whom you cannot imagine music. মানে যাকে ছাড়া ভাবতেই পারো না বা always inspiration থেকেছেন but presently এখন ভাবতে পারো না music. Actor, মানুষ. আছে I know.
My wife.
Oh,
My
excellent.
wife.
Good answer. Good answer. Shobik will relate. Okay, and the last question is one sentence for OOTR. যেটা বলতে চাও, anything you would like, one sentence.
Okay. You guys are doing great. I mean, I have seen
Thank
a couple
you,
of
thank
videos. Of course, it's a great thing that video ta esche MTV te, which is one of the milestones, I think.
Yes, yes.
And আমি যে লাইনটা বললাম যে be positive, be inspired, and keep inspiring. That is very important for you guys at this point of time. And I'm sure you guys will, bloom like a blossom.
Thank you so much. আমাদের কাছে হ্যাম্পার তো এখন পাঠানোর মতো নেই, থাকলে দুটো দিয়ে দিতাম তোমাকে, এত ভালো র্যাপিড ফায়ার করেছো তুমি। So
পরে নিয়ে নেব।
Yes, whenever this lockdown and all gets over, hamper must go to Rajiv Da, and when we get an opportunity to do this kind of talk show, podcast, live, face to face, we'll definitely give a hamper to all of our guests, but Rajiv Da especially I'll send.
Thank you.
So we come towards the end of the session. Thank you so much for everybody who has joined in. Jete একটা গান ছাড়া যেটা লক্ষ্মী ছাড়াকে নিয়ে again another song which we have is the telephone.
আচ্ছা,
so hook একবার telephone নিয়ে তারপর then we can say bye.
Okay. আশায় বসে আছি, ওরে আমার মন, কখন তোমার আসবে টেলিফোন, কখন তোমার আসবে টেলিফোন, কালা যখন তখন করো ডায়াল, বুঝি না ছাই তোমার খেয়াল, কালা যখন তখন করো ডায়াল, বুঝি না ছাই তোমার খেয়াল, তোমার আমার এই যে দেওয়াল ভাঙবে রে কখন, তখন ভাবি আসবে টেলিফোন, কখন তোমার আসবে টেলিফোন।
So thank you so very much, Rajiv, for joining us. Thank you so much, Anish, for joining and conducting this wonderful game. Amar songe game ta hole I would have lost, man. No hampers.
Really well.
I will. Yes, I
We
will.
really did very well, and we are really excited for everybody who's watching us that again one more time we are waiting and looking forward to Duria to get released, where there are some 7-8 bands together, and probably we will have it in about a week's time or so. The promos are on the way, and thank you, Rajiv, once again for joining that with us.
Thank you very much.
And there is one thing which joins us, all the musicians together, is the soul of music. So
Absolutely.
So here is wishing everybody, stay well, stay safe. We will bounce back soon. और आएगी फिर से सुबह, मिट जाएंगी दूरियां. ये दो लाइन मुझे याद है. Thank you, Rajiv, for joining us, and hope to catch up real soon, face to face, when this whole pandemic is over. And
Absolutely.
once we drop
Sure.
down, musical আড্ডায় বসা যাবে সবাই মিলে।
একদম
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rajiv. Thank you.
Thank you.